Alright, what is going on, guys? In today's video, we are doing another case review. If you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you might have seen that I head over to Apple today to check out the iPhone 15 Pro silicone case with MagSafe. I got mine in the winter blue color, as you guys can see right over there. And right over here, we have the iPhone 15 Pro clear Apple MagSafe case. So we're just gonna take that one right off, right over here. My focus is going crazy right now because I have product showcase set on the Sony ZV-1F. Still getting used to this new camera, but so far I am loving it. And as you guys can see, taking off the case of the iPhone 15 Pro, whoops, I just powered on my phone, did not mean to do that. But taking off this clear case is a very hard process. I mean, it is a very solid case, but there we go. We have it straight right off. I'm gonna clean a few smudges. And as you guys can see, it is the design by Apple in California MagSafe clear case. We're just gonna set that aside. We are going to turn off the 15 Pro right over there. Also, do not mind the few scratches and scuffs like you can see right over here on the screen protector. Thankfully, it's just a screen protector. I did make a video of the screen protector at the top right of your screen right over here. And yeah, so far it is holding up pretty good, but it does tend to crack pretty easily just because it's matte. It's a matte privacy screen protector. I did also make a video on this clear MagSafe case right over here. It is a pretty interesting case and it is going to be linked right up here on the top right. But anyhow, that is all beside the point. Today we are checking out the iPhone 15 Pro winter blue silicone case with MagSafe. So we're going to see if it pairs up nicely with the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro. So we have our usual Apple pull tab right over there. Nice and satisfying. We're going to set that aside. What is inside our Apple usual pull tab? And there it is, the winter blue iPhone 15 Pro silicone case. Inside the box, we have our regulatory information as we are all used to. We won't care about that. Throw that on the side, and there you go, side by side with the iPhone 15 Pro right over there on the right in the blue titanium color. And we have the winter blue iPhone 15 Pro clear MagSafe case. So they do have a darker case for the iPhone 15 Pro silicone case. I'll put it up right here on the left. So let me know if you guys would like to see a review on that one. I'll actually be making a review on every single silicone case for the 15s. But yeah, today I was at the mall. I saw this. Obviously it's $69. It is pretty expensive, but we're gonna see if it is worth it. So we're gonna set that right onto the phone. Matter of fact, I should turn on my phone, that way we could see the MagSafe animation pop up. But yeah, it is a lighter tone. They do have a darker tone that matches the 15 Pro in blue titanium a lot better. Now the reason why I didn't go for it is because I wanted to have kind of like a two-tone. And I do also really like the color. I mean, the interior is obviously very beautiful. So yeah, the 15 Pro is powered on right there. And I mean, this privacy screen protector is pretty interesting. Turn on the sides, you can't really see anything. And then right when you put it just like that, you can see the full blown screen. So let me just put my phone in do not disturb here for a second because everyone is contacting me. Social media is going crazy. If you don't follow me, make sure to go follow me at TechRificItis. But let's see here. Do we have the silicone MagSafe animation? How beautiful in the blue color. And there it is. This is the silicone case winter blue with the midnight, or I should say the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro. What do you guys think? Would you guys get this? I mean, the midnight blue is kind of a dark color with the winter blue case. It does not look too bad. I mean, if we paired up with a nice blue wallpaper, it would look pretty nice. The bezels on the 15 Pro actually do look really good with the winter blue silicone case right over here. The blue color with the black bezels on the side it looks pretty good. Obviously, we have our dynamic island. And as I mentioned, if you customize your lock screen just to match the winter blue pretty good, it would be a nice pair up. Now, I'm not quite sure how I feel about the camera lens itself. I mean, depending on the lighting over here. See right here, it's kind of blue titanium showing on the cameras right over there. And then right when you put in the darkness, I mean, it just goes right straight back to black. But hey, the blue of the silicone case is really not a bad color. Now, if you notice here on the left side of the cases, the action button and the two volume rockers are kind of darker. And obviously on the right, the power button right over here is a little bit darker as well. So it does give a very nice tone. It looks very playful and, you know, just bright summery despite us going into winter. So I'm gonna be rocking this case for the next few weeks, next few days. We're gonna see if it's really worth it or if I should go with another color, stick to fine woven, or stick to my clear case. Now, I did do a video on the fine woven cases. I'll be linked right up here on the right, as well as the fine woven wallets. And I also made a video about why I don't use fine woven, so make sure to go check that out as well. But yeah, on the bottom, the cutouts looking really good. Right there, we have our USB-C cutouts, and then obviously our speaker, microphone cutouts all over there. And yeah, overall, the feel in the hands, it is, you know, just grippy. It is silicone, which is nice. Now, I do find that the silicone this year has gotten a little softer, which is really nice because now you can actually use your phone and put it in and out of your pockets a lot easier. It is slightly more slippery, but you still have that needed grip to use one-handedly. Now, the reason why I didn't use silicone cases is just because of how hard it was to take in and out of your pockets. That's why I went with the Apple Clear MagSafe case, because this one is plastic and it is a lot easier to slide in and out. But I wanted to have a little change of pace and get a silicone case just for the grip, just for the aesthetics and the beautiful Apple logo. Now, as you guys can see, the Apple logo is also a darker tone, just as the volume rockers, the action button, and the power button here on the right. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would get this case. I will do a full long-term review as well as unboxing, first impressions of the future silicone cases in all the colors in the coming weeks. And that has been it from 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗯𝗙. If you guys like this little case review ramble, first impressions, unboxing thingy-majig, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Still getting used to the brand new camera right over here, the Sony ZV-1F, I should say. But the autofocus on here is pretty good. See how it blurs out this packaging in my hand right here on the left, and then I bring down the phone, see how it blurs it out. Really beautiful. It blurs out things really quickly, beautiful dynamic range and all of that. So I'm loving this camera so far, and I can't wait to see what this case has to offer. Anyways, it has been 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗯𝗙. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Reddit, Threads. I believe that's it. All that 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗃 it is, and make sure to go check out my merch at 𝗙𝗃.com.site, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys.